Hey guys, welcome back to Flying Dollar Motorsports. My name is Jordan, and I'm bringing it to you after thousands upon thousands of requests. Okay, it was like 3, but we won't talk about that. For a walk around of my 2008 Nissan Xterra, what I call the Material Girl. Bought this in 2008, brand new off the lot. Not a lot done here under the engine bay. I have an air raid quick filter that I bought used off of a buddy, got it cheap. Got an ARB compressor here for the front locker. I got the smaller one, so I can't run tools off of it. You can see a Powerade throttle body spacer there, and I do have an XTP intake manifold spacer. Again, not a lot going on in the interior. I got some white face gauge stickers that I put on there because they weren't around in 2008. They debuted in 2009. Little Ramex mount for my phone. Little auxiliary power plug there that I put in. Not a lot here. I don't overland or anything. I don't do a lot of creature comforts. Pretty much this entire build is centered around being off-road capable, being better on the trail. I did put a little rear view camera in there for backing up. This is just fire extinguisher. Got that mount out of a surplus store. Got a DepHep molly rack that I use back here. Got a couple little trash bag, paper towels, little extra tool bag with some fuses and some basic tools. Up top, some parts store lights. I think they're a knockoff of Rugged Ridge. They're a 4-inch HID, and it's a Xoskel light bar. Up front, went with the Schrockworks front bumper. I like the option here with the pre-runner front that I have up front rather than going with the full light guard. I just didn't like the idea of blocking the light beams, not being as safe. I have beat the crap out of this bumper. Love it to death. Comes with the radiator skid, obviously. You can see down there on the bottom, I guess the left of the screen, man, it is beat up. Running a XRC 9500 winch with a synthetic rope that I've converted to wireless. I got a little how-to video on that if you want to look on my channel. On the back, this is my setup back here. Still got a 33-inch tire on there. That's going soon. I'll be a 35 soon. Another Craigslist find right here. Just some taillight guards. All right, I got an InSain Fab rear bumper and swing away tire carrier. I don't think InSain makes these anymore. I got it off of group buy off of thenewx.org. But it's pretty good bumper so far. Not the greatest, couple little flaws, but overall not a bad bumper. And of course, a little homemade, custom built American flag holder there. One of my favorite parts of the truck. It's worked out pretty well. Just showing how my high lift jack set up with the InSain Fab bumper and a Daystar isolator there. Hefty Fab sliders. I went with these because I really like the little integrated step that you see here. And they are bolt-on. You have to drill one hole, no welding. But man, these things are amazing. They're based right out of Colorado Springs right here. And I just beat the living daylights out of them, as you can see. And they have not bent or moved an inch. Underneath, full set of Schrockworks steel skid plates because I was in Texas when I put them on, and they were the cheapest to get shipped, honestly, except for the Hefty Fabworks aluminum gas tank skid at the end. Put that one on last, and aluminum skid plates had become popular by then. Got a Schrockworks diff skid on their rear M226. That's about to get upgraded to an ARB. InSain Fabworks shock skids to go along with it. PRG adjustable shackles. And Alcan leaf springs. These are 400 pounds over stock with a 4-inch lift. Overall, I've got a 2-inch body lift on the truck as well, so that's 6 inches of lift total. Bilstein 5100s. In the rear, a factory Nissan M226 axle, little homebrew brake bracket there. You'll notice I've removed the sway bar and the mounts, and it's mounted with a U-bolt flip kit and stuffed with 456 gears from Rugged Rocks and a factory locker. For wheels, set of Pro Comp 7089s are a 16x8. I'm running a 2-inch spacer on the back to match the front Titan swap. And you can see in there I got slotted and vented power stop rotors and pads. The tires, Cooper STT Pros. It's a 35-inch tire. Love these tires off-road. Beat the crap out of them. Haven't had a sidewall puncture yet, knock on wood. But they're a little noisy, but great off-road. I usually sacrifice form for function. PRG Heim joint tie rod ends. I had the extensions that he offers originally with this tie rod swap kit, but I went with those to upgrade on the steering angle. Still running OEM Titan lower control arms just because they're super cheap to replace. You beat them up, you know, 150 bucks, you got a new pair from Rock Auto or wherever. In the front differential, got an M205 from a Titan with an 456 gears and an ARB Air Locker. For suspension, running the 2.5-inch Racetech remote reservoir coilovers with an iBox spring. Got these from PRG. This is what Greg used to sell. He no longer sells Racetech since they sold out to AFE. He moved to King, but these were before the AFE purchase. Got PRG upper control arms on both sides. Haven't had an issue with these. Easy to take on and off. Great products. So there it is, guys. That's my 08 Nissan Xterra. Bought it brand new with 9 miles on it and have been building it ever since. It's only got like 73 on it now because I have a short drive to work. It is my daily driver. And honestly, I'm a little surprised I can go through that in 6 minutes when it took me years to build. Love the vehicle. Love Nissan, the Xterra. Love, you know, having something a little different out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the walk around. I didn't want to make it too long and drag it out. And I hope to see you out there on the trails, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate it.